Try these buttery and sweet Spritz cookies without eggs. With only 6 ingredients, these nostalgic cookies are perfect on their own or with the addition of sprinkles or chocolate. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Start by adding 226 grams of softened butter to your stand mixer. Next, add in 170 grams of cane sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract. Mix on low until combined and then continue to mix and cream the butter and sugar for about 5 minutes. It will become light in color and look fluffy. Add in a 1/4 cup of milk and 318 grams of all-purpose flour. Mix on low until combined into a smooth cookie dough. You can use any kind of milk you like. Cow's milk, coconut, or almond milk all work. Fit a piping bag with Ateco tip number 827. Add just a small amount of the cookie dough into the piping bag. This dough is somewhat stiff, so you don't want to add it all into the piping bag at once as it will be too hard to pipe out. Pipe dollops of cookie dough onto 2 parchment paper lined baking sheets. You'll get 20 cookies per sheet. Once the cookie dough is piped, you can add sprinkles on top if you want, but this part is totally optional. Bake at 350 degrees for 18 to 22 minutes or until they are golden brown. Enjoy these Eggless Spritz cookies plain, just like this, or you can dip them in chocolate, which is of course my favorite way to eat them. If you want to dip them in chocolate, melt 226 grams of mini dark chocolate chips using a double boiler or doing 30-second intervals in the microwave. Make sure to stir between each one to prevent burning. Dip the bottoms of the cookies into the melted chocolate and place chocolate side down on the parchment paper. Let them cool completely, or you can throw them in the fridge or freezer to speed up this process. I hope you enjoy these Eggless Spritz cookies as much as I do. If you want more organic cookie recipes, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.